MCI software mirrors the collaborative working relationship between an owner and the many contract service companies working with the owner. MCI's business model is simple: absolute compliance to the terms and rates in each service agreement or contract. Our secret sauce is modeling written contract language into machine-readable mathematics to determine work hours and monetize them accurately. Application security limits users to their data only. Owner representatives can see any contractor's data, but contracts, people, and equipment, rates, purchase orders, and work orders are restricted to appropriate contractors. Hours and costs are allocated to purchase orders and work orders by contractor back-office personnel based on input from their field supervisors. Yesterday's services are ready to pay by noon the next day. No kidding. At the beginning and end of each shift, and any time in between, MCI software can inform all interested parties who is working, for how long, at what cost, and on which projects. After review and approval, MCI electronic invoices are posted to the owner's ERP and to each contractor's accounting and payroll system. All parties are fully informed all the time. Contact Management Controls today to find out more.